afternoon, everybody. I am Elamurugan of grade 1A, and I am going to present cybercrime. What is cybercrime? When any crime is committed by the means of internet, is known as cybercrime. There are many types of crime, that is hacking, cyberstalking, sales and fraudulent investment fraudulence, defamation and thefts. Let's see one by one. Hacking. Hacking is gaining knowledge about someone's personal information and sensitive information by accessing their computers illegally. They do it for a purpose. It is different from ethical hacking. It is used for only by violating laws. Cyberstalking. It is a modern way of stalking a person. Restoring the offline stalking, they are using internet to stalk a person. It involves they stalk the person in internet and do online harassments to them. Sales and investment fraudulence. In this, the modern technology of e-commerce and app developing made the frauds increase. They create some websites which are more attractive, and the plans will be very legible to the people. It will be they will attract people, and they will make them invest in their business, and they will also sell some goods which are cheaper and not a good quality. Such frauds and things happen is known as sales and investment fraudulence. Beware of that. Defamation. Lowering of a person's dignity by accessing their email account and or any other social media links, and they send some vulgar and abusive messages, online messages to an unknown person to lower the original owner of the account. Theft. It occurs when a person's data is downloaded illegally by violating copyrights. So these are some examples of cybercrimes. There are more examples that we can know later. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Next, we are going to see about stack. It is a list or a linear data structure where insertion or deletion of the elements is done from the same end, that is the top of the stack. Example is stack of plates in cafeteria. It is a list data where we can insert data inside it or delete the data, and we can perform all the operations. Operations in stacks. There are three things we can do in stack, that is push. We can insert an element to the stack. That is, we use the syntax push of the value. It will be added to the top of the stack. The value will be added to the top of the stack. Then we have pop notation. It deletes the element in the top of the stack, from the top of the stack. it deletes the element which is in the top of the stack. We have another notation, that is peak. It is neither removed or inserted. We can have the stack 1, 2 and 3. The element 3 is neither taken out or nor inserted, but we can see it. We can peek the information what is in the top of the stack. If we give peek notation, then we will know the element which is in the top of the stack. Here 3 is the element in top of the stack. Then we have operations in stack like converting infix into postfix, polish notation. Postfix expressing in postfix notation is nothing but where the operands a normal equation will be like this. If we converted this into postfix notation, the operands will come first before the operator. So we'll have an example for this. Convert 5a plus b minus c star d. We have an order. Based on that, we have to derive the postfix expression. So we'll have the order of executor. Bracket or parenthesis, then it will come exponential, then we have multiplication or division, then we have the addition or subtraction. High priority to low priority. See, we have the element A here, A, and no stack symbol here, and in stack A will be available. No expressions. When we insert plus, here the expression operator will be plus and A, and we will give B plus A and B. When it comes to minus C, where plus or minus, the plus will go out. We are going to see about functions. It is a sub-program that acts on a data and returns some value. Large programs are comprised or compressed and broken down into smaller units called functions. It is a set of statements that takes inputs, do specific computation and produces the output. Uses: It avoids ambiguity, reduces the program size, and makes program readable and understandable for the person who is not the programmer or a common people. We have to initiate, like we have to provide with information to program that def is the keyword and calculate is the function name. And arguments are parameters. So this together called as function header. This what should be performed is known as function body, the content of the function. So we'll have an example. We'll have function call. We have to know about the flow of execution here. We will define the program and we'll have to input some value. When when the function name is used and the values are given, it goes to the first one. It initiates the step to calculate the value. So it will calculate x comma y. These num1 will be given to x and num2 will be assigned to y. So num1 will give some value, say that num1 is equal to 1 and num2 is equal to 2. So when this function is done, s is equal to 1 plus 2. The values of num1 and num2 will be assigned accordingly to or respectively allotted. So it will calculate 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and it will give here and print sum is 3. So this is a simple program that we can do for that we can give enough functions. So we'll see about arguments and parameters. There are keyword argument, default argument, and positional argument. Positional argument says that only the specific values x and y is assigned by some values in the function call, 1 and 1 or 2, like that something. It will be assigned to the values respectively. 1 will be assigned to x and 2 will be assigned to y. In default argument, when there is no arguments, when there is no values passed through to the numbers, that is variables, x, y is equal to 10, and in function call, if they are not specify any value, the x will be assigned to 1 and y will be equal to 10. It will have a default. It will have a default value, but we have to specify the default value. Then we will have keyword argument. We will have to specify the keyword x is equal to 1, 2, y is equal to 2. Like that, we have to specify the keyword here. Thank you. In the function call. Thank you.